Hello, my beautiful people. How are you? This is Nashob Skills. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe for more updates on different market structure. So for today's session, we'll discuss on order blocks. What is order block? Where do market makers put their positions? What is invalid order block? Types of order block and valid. Let's look through for us. As we said, our today's session will discuss on order blocks, how they are formed, where do market makers place their position, where to place the stop loss, and invalid order block, types of order block, and valid order block. What's an order block? What is an order block? This is the place where the big institution, market makers, like big institution, banks, place their position. Now, if it's the little order block, this will never violate. Now, what's an order block? An order block is a candle where market makers place their position. And as we know, the market makers, these are big institutions, banks. We know we are trading. People who are controlling the markets are those big institutions, banks. They're the one controlling the market. Now, at the order block is the place where the big institutions are placing their entries. Types of order block, which the first one is bullish order block and bearish order blocks. We trade on two types of order blocks. The first one is the bullish order block. The second one is bearish order block. Let's check on types of order block. As we said, you have two types of order block. The first one is bullish order block and bearish order block. Let's check on bullish order block. On bullish order block, we focus on three things. If they happen, this we call it a bullish order block. The first thing is the last bearish candle must be there. The last bearish candle before bullish movement. The last bearish candle before bullish movement that breaks the market structure high. Now let's check. This one is the last bearish candle. This is the last bearish candle before bullish movement that's break the market structure high. If these three things happen, that is a bullish order block. Let's check. Let's check on the real chart. This one is the last bearish candle before bullish movement that's break the market structure high. So where to place your entry? Where do market makers place their entry? Now we have looked. This is the BMS, the black market structure, the bearish candle before bullish movement. So we expect for the market to come back here, and here is the place where we will place our entry, and our stop loss will place it below the order block. Now, after we have looked on bullish order block, let's check on bearish. Bearish order block is the vice versa of bullish order block. In bearish order block, we are focusing on three things. The happening of three things. The first one, the last bullish candle before bearish movement that breaks the market structure low. That breaks the market structure low. Let's look. This one is the last bullish candle. This is the last bullish candle before the bearish movement that's break the market structure low. That's break the market structure. Let's look in our charts here. This one is the last bullish candle before bearish movement that's break the market structure low. This one, that's break the market structure. We set the price to come back at the order block, then we place our entry. Now this is the place where the market makers, big banks, place our orders. And where to place our entry? We place our entry here, and our stop loss will be placed there down. Now those are two types of order block is an order block. It's not evil order block, is an order block. We have two kind of order block. The first one is a valid order block. The second one is invalid order block. So for the valid order block, we'll check so that the order block to be valid, we'll check on this thing. The first one, the candle must close below the previous candle low or high. The candle must close below the previous candle low. That's if the any candle closes, if any candle, the candle, that's where we are drawing the order block, closes below the previous candle, that's an order block. Let's check on the chart. This one is the candle. This is our candle to draw an order block, has closed below the previous candle low. Now this is the valid order block. So the closing of the candle below the previous candle low, this is the valid order block. For the invalid order block, we is the vice versa of valid order block. So the candle in invalid order block, the candle the candle does not close below the previous candle low. Does not close below the previous candle low. Let's check this. Let's check this in the chart. Now we see this one. The candle did not close below the previous candle low. Now this is invalid order block. As we said, it's not every order block is an order block. It's not every order block is an order block.